Hi guys, hope that you can hear me. I'm actually filming on my phone right now because my camera is dead, my battery's not charged, and I'm like, I'm just gonna do this real quick because if not, I will open it and completely forget to record this. So I just got my Stitch Fix box in, woohoo! I've been wanting to share with you guys my Stitch Fix boxes and kind of show y'all what they send me in these boxes and what I'm going to keep and what I'm not going to keep. If you guys don't know what Stitch Fix is, it is a website. You can actually go on there and you can, it's pretty much like personal styling. You take a little quiz about your style and then they ask you a couple of questions like what do you like, what do you not like. They ask for your measurement and then they'll send you items. I think 4 or 5 items. I don't even know. I'll see what's in this one. This is my second one. So, but yeah, they'll send you a couple items that they think you might like. And you have 3 days, I think, after they send it to you to decide what you're going to keep and what you're going to send back. And they send you a prepaid shipping label. So you just send it back to them. And you don't get charged for anything. So you only get charged for the items that you keep. This box is, I put like whatever is the cheapest because I'm broke. So anyway, without further ado, let's get into it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it all up and I'll show you guys what comes in this box. This is what the box looks like inside. Ooh, there it goes. This is the prepaid shipping label. This is what it looks like. Now you just put in what you don't want. You literally put it in here and then drop it off at your nearest post office and they'll take care of that. And then you also get this little package like this. So in here, there's this little thing that says, oh, hello. So in here, just pretty much tells you different ways that you can pair up what they have sent you. So that's pretty cool. We'll see what they send me. So yeah, my total was 150. Oh my gosh. Sorry guys. My total was $154 and it gives you by, you know, what they charged you. Let's see if we like any of this. So they come like this, all packaged in here. So I'm gonna nicely open this up. Oops. All right, so the first thing I see is this. Let's see what this is. Ooh, that's kind of cute. It's like a little, is it off the shoulder? Yeah, it says mixed threads Reiko off the shoulder knit top in black. I think that's really cute. And I'll try them on for you guys so you can see. But there it is. It feels super soft. Wow, I am like, okay, there we go. I'm not sliding, but anyway. Yeah, isn't this cute? I love off the shoulder things, so I think that will be quite cute. And this one was, let's see, how much was this? Reiko. This was $28, so that's not bad. Okay, the next item is this. Okay. This is, oh, I'm showing you the back. This is the front. It's a little crop top looking thing. I need to try this on and see what it is. And it's got this like big sleeve. They're not called bell sleeves. What are they called? I have no idea. But I mean, I think it's cute. I just don't know what it would look like on. This is called Didion Choker Neckline Crop Top. So it is a crop top. But it's actually quite cute. How much is this one? This was $44. So quite pricey, but I think it's cute. All right, next item. I don't know if I'm liking these colors. Okay, but let's see. There's this. I don't know how I feel about this. I'll probably have to try it on and see. I like the off, kind of like, what is it called? It's not off the shoulder. I guess it is. Off the shoulder, but with the little strap. I like that look. I don't know how I feel about the lace at the top. And I don't know how I feel about the print and this material. This one is Cali Lace Detail Cold Shoulder Blouse. And this was $54. So, I don't know. I'm wondering about that one. All right. Next item is this kimono. I love kimonos. So This is really cute. It's like that. Oh, is that the inside? Yeah, that's inside out. There we go. It's actually pretty cute. I'll have to see what it looks like on. Still cute. Let's see how much this was. Jaffa kimono. This was $38. And last but not least, I love that they sent me jeans because I never buy jeans. And the last ones that they sent me, I kept because they were super cute. They were like these dark, skinny jeans. And those were really cute. So these are distressed rolled skinny jeans. These look cute. There's the roll. And there's like the little distressed part right there. I'm actually liking these. And that is everything I got in this Stitch Fix. So I will try them on. Oh, the jeans were $68. So the thing is, if I keep everything, then I get the discount and everything will be $154. I get the 25% off for buying everything. If I don't keep everything, then they will charge me individually for the items. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it and I hope that you like me unwrapping my Stitch Fix with you, unboxing my Stitch Fix box with you. And if you do, please give it a thumbs up and I will do it again next month because it does come in monthly unless I put a stop to it. So yeah, let me know what you thought of it. And yeah, if you do want to see more, please give it a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.